Hello, I'm Mike Glenn, and today I'll be showing you how to use your canister system. First, open the canister by turning the valve counterclockwise. Next, make sure both your surfaces are clean and free of dust or dirt or grease. Do some quick sprays to ensure you've got the correct spray pattern. For proper spray technique, hold the gun at approximately a 90-degree angle to the substrates you're bonding and about 6 to 10 inches away from the surface. Spray with a smooth, even pattern across the substrates with an approximate 5% overlap. You can see the proper spray pattern is approximately a 1/4 inch between the patterns. Allow the adhesive to dry before bonding the substrates. Test the adhesive with your knuckles to check tack. Once the adhesive does not transfer to your knuckles, the surfaces are ready to bond. Bond the substrates together, ensuring you apply proper pressure by either a hand roller or an automated pinch roller. Once you're finished, it's extremely important to leave your canister valve open to maintain pressure in the gun and the hose so it doesn't set up in the hose.